This is weird. Okay, Daddy.
So I'm going slow.
Yeah.
It's thick. The faster you go, the thinner the line's going to be.
That's thick. I wonder what it tastes like.
Yeah.
Does it taste like glue?
You tell me. Does it taste like that?
No.
I think Zoe wants to taste.
So next thing, we need to put some like right here. So
Okay, you got a taste. She doesn't know what to make of it.
let me show you.
Tell me. Oh, she's still looking. She's okay. Yeah, right along here.
No,
Yeah.
that's gonna be hard.
Do you want me to do it?
Okay, now you made a friend there.
I'll do right on the edge. Too much. There we go. Good enough there. Let's do it a little bit down there too. Okay, now let's do this edge.
The next thing.
No, we gotta do both. We gotta do all four. So we do this one.
So do we need to do the back of the house? Oh yes. Okay. So which one's which?
I don't think it matters.
Yes, it does. Daddy.
I think they're both fine.
They're not
What's up,
the
Zoe?
same.
Okay.
Look. Look at them.
You can tell me. There's one. There's the other. Is that? Are they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Can't
So
believe
what's our next step?
are the sides.
Oh, come on. Enough, Maloney. Enough.
There.
Maloney, that is sweet.
Okay.
Affecting walls of house. Using easeboat tray. Insert back panel of house into the panel. Then press side.